Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities Morning Podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading session. Post beginning the day on a shaky note, index witnessed a gradual recovery and managed to end the session on a relatively flat note, defying global cues. Once again, it was Nifty Mid Cap and Small Cap Index which managed to gain for the 8th consecutive session, with the Mid Cap Index back to its all-time high, while Small Cap Index being just 3% away from its all-time high. Among the sectorial indices, Nifty PSU Bank was the best performing index yesterday, while Nifty Realty was the worst performing index, with 90% of its constituents ending the day in the red. From a macro perspective, if we see the DXY after forming a swing top around 105 has cooled off to 104.20 and is the overall, if you see the short term, it is the trend remains positive. US 10-year yield surpassed its previous two swing highs as it witnessed an uptick towards 4.4%. Brent crude oil prices currently trading at a 5-month high of $90 a barrel. Could be a real cause of worry from an Indian perspective, given the way USD INR has been inching towards 84 levels. With the mid cap and small cap index being in focus from the past few sessions, we have seen a relative sideways performance by large caps, and hence Nifty is displaying a sideways consolidation from the last three trading sessions. However, indices are in an overall uptrend, and hence the trend continues to remain buy on dips. Going forward till the time the index holds on to the support of 22,300, 22,340, we could see an upswing towards the levels of 22,470, 22,500 levels. Any sustainable move above the levels of 22,520 will lead to a short covering move towards 22,610, 22,630. In case the index slips below 22,290 on the downside, there could be further selling pressure towards the mark of 22,180. Coming to the OI data, while Nifty ended the day relatively flat, Nifty PCR witnessed minor weakness from 0.85, minor weakness to 0.85 from 0.9 levels. Meaningful call writing is witnessed across 22,450, 22,500 strikes, while put writing was witnessed in 22,400 and 22,300 strikes. The overall range for the coming few sessions could be 22,530 on the upside and 22,280 on the downside. Coming to Bank Nifty, while strong momentum was visible in HDFC Bank as well as PSU banking counters, a breakout in ICICI would act as a trigger for Bank Nifty, which could be around the corner, and we feel that could be likely post the RBI monetary policy announcement scheduled tomorrow. So that would be a key crucial event to watch out for Bank Nifty. Till the index holds on to its crucial support of 47,300, we could see a recovery back towards 48,000, 48,100 on the upside, and any sustainable move above 48,100 will lead to a short covering rally in Bank Nifty towards the levels of 48,500, 48,700. While on the downside, if there is a breakdown below 47,300, there could be a correction towards the psychological mark of 47,000. From the OI perspective for Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty PCR is currently at 1.07. Significant call writing was seen across 47,700, 48,000 strikes, while on the put side it was majorly seen in 47,500 strike, implying a range of 47,300 on the downside and 48,000 on the upside. Coming to sectors and stocks in momentum, so sector wise it was auto, metal, power. PSU banks witnessed good traction in trade yesterday and are relatively looking stronger than the rest of the sectors. From stock specific perspective, it was NTPC, Bajaj Finance, Escorts, Mahindra & Mahindra, Sun Pharma, JSW Energy, HDFC Bank, PNB, Can Bank, Poonawalla, Manappuram, Muthoot Finance, GAIL, Tata Power, Lemon Tree and Shriram Finance. These are the counters which are looking good based on technical parameters as well as relative strength chart. Coming to the FIDI data, in the cash market, FIs have been continuously selling if you see from the past few trading sessions, and they sold to the tune of 2213 crores yesterday, while DIS purchased to the tune of 1102 crores. FI long short ratio for index futures slightly weakened to 43.79 on a net basis, this as they sold 16,330 index futures. On the stock futures front, FIs has sold to the tune of 1,23,598 contracts, while on the options front, FIs bought 1,16,299 call contracts and simultaneously purchased 1,42,955 put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast. Wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.